In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to find the diameter of a circle when given the area. What is the diameter of a circle with an area of 113 square inches? So there we have an image of a circle, and right away we recognize that it's a circle, so we find our formula. Area equals pi times the radius squared. Now, for these purposes, I'm going to substitute the decimal approximation for pi, so we'll rewrite that. Area is equal to 3.14 times the radius squared. Now, very important thing in this problem is that they have asked for the diameter, and our formula uses the radius. So when we solve for the radius in this first part, we have to remember that we are looking for the diameter. Diameter equals question mark. So I'm going to put that little reminder up there. And we know the area is 113 square inches. That is the only piece of information we have, and really the only one we need. So we can replace the letter A with 113, and the right side of this equation stays the same. So for these kind of problems, we are always going to do the same thing. We are first going to divide by pi. So we divide both sides by pi, or in this case, 3.14. That's going to leave us with r squared on the right, and 113 divided by 3.14 on the left, which is 35.99. Now, the last thing that we will always do in problems like this is to take the square root of both sides, because we need to know r, not r squared. By taking the square root of both sides, we find the value of r. So the square root of 35.98, 5.998. Now for these purposes, I'm going to round that because that is so close to 6. I'm going to say that r is approximately 6. And we remember now that we need to know the diameter. So the diameter is 2 times the radius. So the diameter equals 2r equals 2 times 6. The diameter is equal to 12. Okay, let's clear that off and go to your problem. What is the diameter of a circle with an area of 254 square inches? So work through this problem using the same steps as the ones we just reviewed. And remember that you are after the diameter and not the radius. You can pause the video now, and then when you're ready, you can continue the video to see the answer. The answer to that question is a diameter of 18 inches. Hopefully you got that correct. If so, congratulations. If not, please re-watch the video, take some careful notes, and try to follow the procedure and see if you get the answer the second time.